So on some desktops or laptops for the high resolution, there's a DPI scaling issue with many programs. One is Xlights. And if I go into a controller and I click on Visualize, this is where I really see the issue. And obviously, we can't really read everything displayed. So we're going to fix that right quick, and I'm going to walk you through doing that. There is a website that I recommend for the fact that there's no click here. It has all the code you need. So we can look at this, and what it's going to do is we're going to set a registry key, and then we're going to go ahead and create a manifest file for Xlights, and that's going to fix the issue. So at this site, we're going to scroll down, and it's going to talk about what we need to do as far as the registry. So I'm simply going to cut and copy that and place it in a notepad so I can look at that. Now I'm going to open up the registry, and I'm already at this location, which is HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, side by side. We're going to create a key here. So simply inside, right click, new. We want DWord 32. And then I'm going to call this prefer external manifest. And I'm going to set it as a decimal value of 1. Say OK. That's complete. Right now, this won't affect Xlights. Now what we want is the code, which is written in XML, and we're simply going to copy this code from the beginning of the XML version down to the bottom at the end of assembly. We're going to open up a new notepad. We're going to make sure we're right at the end of assembly, up at the beginning, no space at the head of XML. We're going to do a file, save as. Now we want to make sure that we get rid of this .text as a save as type and change it to all files. Inside the file name, we want to call it xlights.exe.manifest. And I can't really save it to the location on this laptop. It'll tell me denied. So for now, I'm going to save it in my documents. Actually, I created a new folder. We're going to call it Xlights, which may or may not exist already. It doesn't. Okay. So inside of Xlights, I'm going to save this again. xlights.exe.manifest. Okay. I'm going to close that. I'm going to bring up File Explorer. And I'm going to go into that Xlights folder that we just looked at. So let's go to Documents, and we'll go down to Xlights, and I'm going to grab this file right here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Now I'm going to go down to C, Program Files, Xlights, and right here in the root of this folder is where the xlights.exe exists. So this is where I'm going to save the manifest file as well. Let's see, paste. Yes, I want administrator permission to move this file to that location. And the manifest file is there. And notice, since I am showing the extensions, I can see manifest. If you're not showing extensions, you can easily click on View and then make sure that your extensions right here is shown. Notice they're gone now. Again, View. Go to File Extensions, and now we have our extensions. So close that. I'm going to go ahead and close down Xlights. Now I'm going to open Xlights again because I have both the registry key and the manifest file in place. Okay, once Xlights opens, I'm going to go ahead and click back on the Falcon. Now I'm going to visualize, and you'll notice now I can read everything. I hope that helps.